explorers, I'm Kristen and this is Starfish. Today we're gonna meet a very special fish with a very special job, the cleanerwrasse. Let's go take a dive. Hey, look at all these tiny fish. Oh my god, it's cleanerwrasse. Even though they're very small, they're one of the busiest fish in the ocean. Look at them dance around the reef here. Yeah, it helps other fish stay clean and healthy because they eat all the dead skin and tiny parasites. Yeah, the fish, when they go see them, it's like they're going to an underwater spa. The wrasse even swim inside the mouth and gills of the fish to pick out the bits of food and pests without getting eaten. Whoa, that's a lot of trust in these big fish. Now, what do you think a cleanerwrasse eats? Yeah, they happily eat all the tiny parasites from the fish. They also love eating any of the leftover food that they can find in the mouth. Yeah, that might be a bit gross, but it's a really easy meal for these small fish. And in return, these big fish get to stay nice and healthy, so really it's a win-win for everyone. Did you know that cleanerwrasse do a special dance to let the big fish know that they're ready to clean? Yeah, it's like waving, "Come over, I'm ready to set up the cleaning station, and I'm ready to start my day." Cleanerwrasse really do an important job keeping the ocean healthy, and we gotta help them. Remember, when we go to the beach, let's take away our garbage and keep the beaches clean, but use less plastic. Thanks for joining me, exploring everything that the cleanerwrasse have to offer. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always be curious. See you next time on Kristen Starfish. Bye.
Zebrafish,
the scientific name for swordfish. Just like jellyfish float with the ocean currents, it's okay to feel the waves of emotion like fear or anger. As jellyfish don't rush against the flow, it's okay to allow those feelings come and go too. Okay, welcome back to the Buoyancy Test. Yes, this is where we see if things sink or float. I've got a special treasure chest here. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, it's Minion Kevin with a banana. Okay, it's pretty heavy. Sink or float? Whoa, definitely a sinker. And he landed on his head. Okay, what's next? Oh my god, it's a bat. Oh, he's pretty scary and little. What do you think? Sink or float? Also sinks. Who's next? Whoa, scary skeleton. I don't know, what do you think? He's pretty light. Sink or float? Also a sinker. Whoa, are we gonna have any floaters today? Okay, last but not least, baby dinosaur. Do you like to water? Okay, let's take a dive. Also a sinker. Well, today on Sink or Float, no floaters, everything sinks. See you again next time. Thank you for diving into the world of the ocean with me. I hope you enjoyed learning something special, and just remember, you're also a special creature too. Thanks for coming back, and remember, in a world of angry sharks, let's all be a starfish. Take care.